Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do an overlay photo on Picsart application. So overlay will be adding several picture or several layer over the original picture that you have on your project. So to do an overlay, you just need to take a look on this button features right here and then just slide those feature into the left side until you found this add photo. And then you just need to go click it, and the Picsart application will bring you into your photo library, and then you just need to choose which photos that you want to add into your picture. You can do this, you can do more than one photo, so you just need to pick your favorite, and after you're done you just need to go click add, and then you already got this 4 objects here, and then you just need to adjusting from the size, the opacity, and many of other things regarding to your picture that you already add on your photo. Just need to doing that all of the picture. You can also adjusting every transparency for each picture by just slide this part into the left side until you found opacity, and then you can just drag it into the left side to make it transparent. And you can do for the rest of picture that you add for the overlay. Just need to go click it, go in, find the opacity, and then just adjusting the transparency level that you want to have. You can also adjust in the positions too, so that it can be like more organized. And here is the result. So that is the way how to do an overlay on Picsart application, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.